Okay guys, now we'll start with the questions. Write the question now. Okay, so the question is very clear. Is there any glaring there? Nothing, right? Okay. Indian. Who's that window? So it is JE means 12 means 2012 question. Okay. So what is it? A particle is located at x is equal to 0 at time is equal to 0. Means it is at rest basically. Starts moving along the positive x direction with the velocity v that varies v is equal to, this is alpha, some constant, under root of x. The displacement of the particle varies with the time. So velocity varies with the displacement, we already have the value. Now what is it here? Now particle means, so you see this one, displacement, how it will be varying with the time, I need to find it. Are you getting my point here? So here completely I'll use the calculus method. I'm not using any graphical method here, because whatever question we discussed today, it's all related to what is it here, calculus methods only, right? So we have one relation that how velocity will be varying with this one, which is this is a proportional, or you can say one constant, directly, and root of x is there. So no, or else I can write from this one. What is it I can write? V is directly proportional to root x. Means how is this one here? What is this meaning here? Velocity v varies with x. X is what is this one here? Let's say this is a displacement. Yes or no? But what is our question here? How displacement is varies with the time, that's what we want to find. Are you getting my point here? So from this equation I'll try to do that one. How can you write a velocity? Velocity you can write it as a dx divided by dt. Can I write like that? Yes or no? Similarly, now here alpha we have and the root of x we have. It is, yes or no? Next step what is that I am going to do it is, so we'll rearrange them. So dx divided by, I can write a root x. Can I write like that? Which is equal to, what is this one here? This time here, what is that here? Alpha into dt. Can I write like that? Okay. Then what I'll do? I'll do integration of it. So integration you try to apply on the both the side. Yes or no? So we are starting with a zero displacement to total displacement, zero time to total time. Got it? Okay. Now what do we do? Shall we do this? Just integration only. Yes or no? This one more step you want to add now, you can add like this, 0 to x. This is x power minus 1 by 2. Can I write like this? If it goes upside, into dx can I write, which is equal to alpha, you take it out, integration of 0 to t dt. Right buddy? So there are certain formulas are there. What are those formula? Integration, you know, right? Integration of x power n dx will be, what is this one here? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Can I do it like that? So what it will become now? X power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Yes or no, right? And you are doing, you are applying the limits from 0 to x. So it will give a same result only, nothing changes. Here also what is it here? Alpha into what is it? I'll get it here. Alpha into dx. It will be, what is it? Integration of dt will be, what is it here? T. And you will apply the limits from 0 to, what is it here? T. Got it? Now give me the answer. Very good. So give me answer. Here what is that? I'll get it in terms of x. Here x power 1 by 2. Yes or no? Means root x divided by downside is 1 by 2. So it will 1 by 2 means 2 root x. Yes or no? Which is equal to what is that here? Alpha into what is that here? T. Am I correct, buddy? So from this one, can I write root x is equals to what is that? Root x is equal to what is that? I can write alpha t divided by 2. Can I write?
Yes, sir.
And then if I apply square on the both the side, what it will become here? X is equal to
alpha t by 2
alpha square, right? Alpha square
t
t
square
square
divided by 4.
divided by 4. Yes or no? Now, how x will be varying here? X is directly proportional to what is that here? T square. Got it? How is it varying here? X is equal to x is directly proportional to t square. You might be wondering what is the alpha and all. Alpha is for you. It is just a confusion. It is just a constant. Yes or no? This part and this part is just a constant. So we can avoid. So I am writing the relation here. So x is directly proportional to t square. So displacement how it will vary? Directly proportional to t square. Yes or no? So calculus method is useful or not?
A doubt.
Yeah, but
Here, root x is equal to alpha to t by 2. Sir. So t is not dividing both alpha and t, sir. Only dividing t.
no, it is dividing both, but they are multiplication. Will divide both.
So it will be common for both.
Both. Array, you are disturbing the project. Move this a little. Shall I move on? You understood any difficulty in this question? Shall we do one more question? Okay. These are all JE questions only. Some are main, some are advanced also. Got it, buddy? Shall I move on?
Yes, sir.
Do this question then. First note down, then do it. While I am teaching, it will be very easy, buddy. Okay. When it comes to exam, it will be difficult. So you need to take down all the notes. Then again, I have to use which method here? Calculus method only. Tell me what is it here? The acceleration A of a particle moving in a straight line, means motion in a straight line only. Where is with the displacement? How it is varies here? A is equal to 2 into S. Keep it like that. Then the velocity of the particle is 0 at 0 displacement. Okay, fine. Okay. Find the corresponding velocity displacement equation. What is it I want here? Velocity displacement equation I want. Now you need to convert it. Whatever derivation we do, same sort of thing we'll try to do it. So see, acceleration, the equation is acceleration is equal to 2s. Can I write it like this here? Acceleration means change in velocity by change in time. Can I write it? Which is equal to, can I write 2s? Yes or no? Again, one more thing I wanted to do here. So dv divided by dt, I'll multiply because t is not there. You see here, I'm asking you velocity and the displacement relation I'm asking. So you need to remove what is this here. You need to ignore, or you have to remove the dt. Yes or no? So what I'll do, I'll multiply with the ds upside and downside, which is equal to, what is it here? 2s. Can I maintain like this? Now interchange dv divided by ds and ds divided by dt. Can I write like that? So total answer will be, what is it now? You know already ds by dt means what is that? V. Yes or no? What is this one here? It means V. So I can write this ds, I take it like this side. So this entire part will be, what is this here? V. Do not multiply inside, please. I told you already. So V into, what is it here? dV is equal to 2s into ds. Can I write like that? Now integrate. That's it. So as per the question, here you see the velocity of particle is 0 at a 0 displacement. Means initially both are 0 only. After some time it will be V. After some time it is S. Now create a relation. Yes or no? What it will become, right? B square by 2. That's it. Here it will be 2 into S square by 2. Can I cancel this 2 and 2? Yes or no, right? So from this one again, what I'll get it here? B is equal to plus or minus under root 2 into S. Can I write it? Yes or no? So this is one answer. There is V is also directly proportional to S is also one answer. Two answers. Got it? Are you able to do this answer? Yes or no? So yesterday whatever we did, same things we are trying to do it again. Yes or no? Applicative questions.
Yes, sir.
Done? Okay. So in option they may give this also, this also. Any one will be correct answer. Okay. Do this one. Oh, here already mentioned A triple. What is it here? 2011. Okay, I wrote this paper. 2011. So I was plus 2 that time. So I wrote it. Chalo. We call A triple now JE mains. That's it. Mark. I don't know. I got 1000 ranks. Rank. Chalo, do it. This is a decelerated. What is the meaning of decelerated? Means it is coming to rest. It has some velocity. Now slowly, what is it? You are decelerating means you are applying brakes and it becomes zero. Yes or no? So object is moving with what is this here? 6.25 meter per second. Is decelerated at a rate given by dv by dt is equal to minus 2.5 root v. Yes or no? Where v is the what is this here? Instantaneous speed. Yes or no? Differentiation and integration whenever we are using, we are instantly doing that. Yes or no? Chalo. So that formula is already dv by dt minus 2.5 root v is the equation. Now we need to find what is the time taken by an object. You need to find t value. Chalo, start. How would you do it? Use the equation dv divided by dt which is equal to minus 2.5 into root v. Yes or no? Next step, what is that I can apply? So I can apply that. I'll just v, I'll bring this side root v, and this side is what is it here? 2.5 into dt. Can I use it like that? Now integrate on the both the side. But whenever you are integrating, limit should be very clearly should apply. So it is a starting limit and it is a limit of the v. Here you see decelerated or not. So object is initially moving with what speed it is moving here? 6.25. So it is moving with a 6.25 initially. Decelerated means what is that here? 0. Finally 0. Clear? Now here what is that here? Initial time is how much here? We don't know. What is it? Is there anything mentioned? No. And here very clear. See there. Come to rest na. Final it is 0 only. No. Final velocity is 0 only. No? So initial time is 0 but final time is t. Now do it. Solve it. Just now we solved a 1 by root x formula is what is it? 2 root x, right? So no, did or no? Use that relation. You did? Integration of root v will be what is that here? 2 root v. And here whole what is that here? What is the limit here? 6.25 and 0. This side is what is that here? Minus 2.5 into what is that integration of dt will be what is it? T only. The next step is what is it here? You apply the limits. So what is it here? Upper limit first you will apply. Upper limit when you apply it will become 0. Minus here 2 into root of what is it here? 6.25. Yes or no? That's it. This side is what is it here? Minus 2.5 into t. Now next step, can I do it here? I'll do it here. So minus 2 root 6.25 which is equal to minus 2.5 into, can I cancel them? Yes or no? Next apply the square and the both the side. Square and the both the side. So what it will become here? 4 into 6.25 which is equal to 2.5 into 2.5. Yes or no? Can I use double time here? 2.5 into 2.5 which is into t square. Can I write like that? Now cancel it. 2.5 into 2.5. What is the answer? Yes or no? Can I cancel them? Yes or no, right? What is the answer for T now? 2 seconds. You understood? Any difficulty with the calculation? No, right? Shall I move on? Girls, that side. You re. Final wali. Bol. Is it correct? Say it, Ray. Is it correct? Are you understanding my language? Is it correct? 2 seconds. This is all effect of local brand, I know. Okay. Morning, you are eating dosa, I know. It's a natural alcohol. 5 dosa. 5? How can you eat 5 dosa? Great. Dosa. Huh? Egg dosa. Okay, very good. Egg is good for health. But other three are waste. Shall we move on, buddy? Yeah. What, Shabari? Are you available? You want to repair that? Huh? Do it. Do this question by your own. I will not help you. Yes. VT graph we need to draw. Relation first find out. Hmm. Relation you find out. VT relation you find out. Then, do it, do it. Graph I will tell you. Relation you bring it.
So, you can understand.
This one, huh? Simple. Write a V is there, no?
Yes, sir.
In terms of displacement, you write. V is nothing but displacement by ds by dt. Do it. T square you got, huh? Let me check it. Okay. What is the equation I got it here? The velocity of the particle moving in a positive direction of the x, whereas means it is they are trying to show x na only one axis na it is motion in a straight line only. Clear? Chalo. So v is equal to k into root of s, where k is a positive constant. Draw a VT graph. They are saying. We'll do that. How would I do na? V is equal to k into root of s. Yes or no? Next, what is it? V here. V is nothing but ds divided by dt only, no? Change in displacement with respect to time. which is equal to k into root of s. Yes or no? But here I need to write it in which direction here? Draw Vt, means V and T relation I have to bring it. Okay. First let's write this one, then we'll try to do it. So relation, what is it? I can get it here. Here ds divided by root s. Here k into dt, can I write it like that? Yes or no? So what is it here? Both the side you integrate on the both the side. Okay, from 0 to s it will give us same answer only. So what it will become now? It will be 2 root s it will become. Yes or no? This one will, what it will become here? K times of a t. Yes or no? K times of t it will become or not? Is it correct? So from this one, one more step I would like to write. 2 into root s is equal to k into t na. So t is equal to, what is it here? T is equal to, or s is equal to, what is it here? Root s is equal to kt divided by 2. Am I correct? Or else s is equal to, what is it here? K square divided by 4 times of t square it will become. Yes or no? Now s is directly proportional to, what is it here? T square. Am I correct? Yes or no? Right? Now we already have one equation. What is it here? V is equal to k times of root s. Yes or no? So here you might have studied in lower classes. What is it now? If this is proportionality, if I try to write now, V is directly proportional to, what is it here? Yes. Now it is also directly proportional to, what is it? Instead of s, what can I write here? T square. Yes or no? So V is directly proportional to root s. V is also directly proportional to, what is it here? So from this one I can therefore V is directly proportional to, what is it here? T. V is directly proportional to T. So how it will vary? I'll show you. Yeah, like a straight line, no slants. Got it? Everybody is clear? Is it done now? That watch, I'll take it. Adjusting time in physics class only. What were you doing in chemistry class? Listening, understanding, analyzing. All those good words I can use. But when it comes to physics, this fellow will repair all the switches. And Shabari is watching the projector. Soon it will be destroyed. Okay. All things are there, and this fellow is repairing watch. That lady is talking. No, right? Chalo. Chalo, shall we move on? Do this question also. Why to leave one vector? One vector model also will do it. It came when? 2009. So when I was 10th standard. Yes or no, right? चलो करो. A particle has the initial velocity 3I cap plus 4J cap. Okay. And the acceleration is how much here? 0.4I cap plus 0.3 J cap. The speed after 10 seconds. Right, buddy? Shall we?
Yes, sir.
How would you do it? You have already one governing equation. What is they are given? Initial velocity is given. Acceleration is given. Speed after time is also given. What they are asking you? Final they are asking. Very good. Shabash. So this formula V is equal to U plus AT. Can I use it?
Yes, sir.
Can I convert into vector form? What is the vector form for this one? So V bar, which is equal to U bar plus A bar into T. Time is not a vector quantity. Yes or no? Okay. Nishan, time is vector quantity, yeah? No, very good. So V bar is equal to U bar is nothing but what is it? Write as it is. Do it. 3I cap plus 4J cap plus A bar means 0.4 I cap plus 0.3 J cap. Time is how much, Ray? 10 seconds. Do it. Is it correct? Huh? No. Correct only. So 7 I cap plus what is it here? 4 into 3.
Sir, 3 point.
Multiplied with the 10. Is that no, right? A into
Ah,
T.
yes,
Right?
sir.
So this will be meter per second. But I asked you what is it here? Magnitude. How to find a magnitude? Do it. So magnitude will be what is it here? 7 square plus 7 square. Yes or no?
49.
Position vector magnitude did you find right? Like that one. Find out. Very good. It will be how much here? 7 root 2. If root 2 value is 1.4,
9.8.
9.8 meter per second. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Is it easy or difficult?
Easy, sir.
Easy only, right? Yeah. So like that, I can use all the vector forms, right? All the equation as a vector form. Can I use it? Yes, of course you can use it. Okay. So let me just go walk through all the equations. What are the vectors in this, and what are the scalars in this? Right now. So according to this chapter, if I use a governing equation, V bar is equal to what is it here? U bar plus A bar into T. Yes or no? T is the only quantity scalar, remaining all vectors only. So I can follow directions or not? Yes. What about this one? Tell me. S is equal to ut plus half at square. So displacement is a vector quantity. U bar is a vector quantity. A bar is a vector quantity. But T is not a vector quantity. Clear? Similarly, V square minus U square, which is equal to 2AS also there. Means this is also V bar, U bar, A bar, S bar. Here everything is vector quantity. Yes or no? So if you are taking direction for one quantity, others will feel. Okay? So what you do, you should not show any partiality now. For every vector quantity, you have to take the direction. Clear? Is it clear now? So throughout the physics also, you have to do the same thing. So if they are vector, if one vector in this equation, if one vector is changing, other vectors also will change. So obviously, if you are taking the direction for one quantity, others also affected. So you have to take all this. Clear? You understood, right? Hmm. Not, you have to take the magnitude. Squaring is always a magnitude. See, I'll tell you. Very good. Good question. See, A bar dot A bar, same quantity multiplied. So what it will become here? Magnitude of A bar whole square. Clear? Huh? So if it is a vector whole square, na, it is a magnitude whole square. So first you need to do dot product of it. Dot product I didn't teach you. We will come across the dot products. Okay. First you need to do the dot product, then you have to square it. So dot product of any quantity will be scalar quantity. It will come. Is it clear? So let's do one more question. Huh? One more model, simple model we'll try to do. So now you understood, right? All the how to do it, the questions and all. First, check what quantity they are asking, what proportional you need to do, and where it is varying, how it will apply. Clear? Huh? Now we'll do few other question also. The simple model questions we'll try to do. Okay? Chalo. If write down the question is example. If displacement x is equals to t square plus 3t meters, the displacement is covered how it is? T square plus 3t, which is uniform or non-uniform? Obviously non-uniform. Okay. See buddy, if it is x is directly proportional to t na, the graph will be like this. Clear? Huh? If x is directly proportional to t power n na, graph will be little curved. Yes or no? So indirectly you are dealing with what is it here? Curvilinear motion. What are you dealing with here? Curvilinear motion. So you are actually see this x is equal to t square by 3t na, it is a function of what is it here? T. Okay. So that person is not at all moving with a linear motion, but instead that curvilinear motion he is moving. So all the questions are mostly curvilinear questions only. Yes or no? So whenever we are driving a bike, we'll not go straight. What we'll do? We'll change the direction. Yes or no? We'll decrease, increase, all those things we'll do, right? That is the question. Okay. So if x is equal to t square plus 3t meter, okay, calculate, right on, calculate velocity of the particle, velocity of the particle at t is equal to 3 seconds. Do it. And acceleration of the particle at 2 seconds. Acceleration at 2 seconds. No, sir. Very good. Not variable. Then whatever there, that is the answer value. That's it. Hmm. So how will you solve it? So x is equal to t square plus 3t. Yes or no? I want to find what is it here? Velocity. Velocity means simply differentiate dx divided by dt. If you differentiate each term here, dt square divided by dt plus 3 into dt by dt. Am I correct? You know already differentiation of d by dt of t power n, it will be t n into t power n minus 1. Yes or no? That is a formula, right? So what happens here? It's automatically 2t, and this will become what is it here? 3. So total answer now B. Now V at where is that here? T is equal to 2 seconds. What is the answer, buddy? 2 into 2, 4, 7. Very good. 7 meter per second. Am I correct? What about acceleration then? Yeah. 3 seconds. So it will be how much, right? 9. Acceleration is equal to what is that I want to see? Acceleration is dv divided by dt. Means v value already you have it, right? This again you differentiate. How much you will get, right? Only 2. Because differentiation of dt by dt plus differentiation of constant will be, what is it, buddy? 0. Yes or no? So what is the answer now? Only 2 meter per second square. Means that particle is moving with a constant acceleration. Yes or no? Constant acceleration. There is a difference. Constant velocity is different. Constant acceleration is different. Clear? Huh? Means the person is accelerated somewhat and is maintaining like that, but is changing. Like colorful aunties will do, right? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Every day I have to face them. That's what I'm telling you. Frustrated with it. Done? Any difficulty? Chalo, do it. Which break? Shall we do last question? Okay. How many of you Marvel fans here? What is the new Venom movie name?
Last dance.
Yeah, one last dance. Okay. So last one will do it. Okay. Simple one. After that you go for lunch. Write down. If a particle covers a distance Sn is equals to 2 plus 0.4 n. 2 plus 0.4 n. Calculate initial velocity and acceleration. Acceleration. How? So you got one formula, right? We have a governing equation. That's why it is useful, right? So what will you use? Sn is equals to u plus a by 2, 2n minus 1. Yes or no? Yes or no? A by 2, 2n minus 1. But here, clear. Now what we have here, it is 0.4 n we have. Here what we have here, a by 2, 2n minus 1 we have. Yes or no? So what will you do? Yeah. So we'll change it according to the this equation will change it. We know already u is equal to 2. Initial velocity is 2 meter per second. Just comparison and writing answer. Now what I'll do, I'll convert this formula into this format. U, what is this one? If I multiply this one, this will be n into a, yes or no? Then it will be, what is it here? Next, minus a by 2. Can I write it like this? Minus a by 2. Right? Next situation la u minus a by 2 plus yes or no? A into n. Can I write it like that? Can I write it like that? Yes or no? So Sn, now compare them. Can you compare this equation and this equation look same, right? Yes or no? So let's take this equation 1 and this is equation number 2. Compare them. So u minus a by 2, which is equal to how much here? 2. Am I correct? Then what about a is equals to here 0.4 meter per second square. Yes or no? Because here 0.4, here a, so here it is 0.4. Clear? How much initial velocity? Find out. Give me full answer. 4 plus a कहते. So it will be how much here? U minus a. A means what is it here? 0.4 na? 0.4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. So how much here? It will be 0.2, right? So U is equal to how much here? Am I correct, buddy? It's a 2.2 meter per second. Time interval. N is nothing but a time interval. You had completed now, please leave. Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Sir, what is this?
That is key. Can you bring some water? Here only. Yes, go for lunch. If you bought a chair, please keep it there only. If you bought a chair from there, keep it there. You keep it here only. Oh legend. Other chair you bought, na? Okay, leave, Ray. You first leave. I'll ask other test student. You guys leave first. Yeah. Can I close it, Ray? Solve the numericals. Solve the numericals. What legend? What's your name?